the way you do BPM today is set to change forever.
It's taking way too long. We've got thousands of processes.
Mapping the current state is taking forever. The transformation project is getting delayed. Executives want real numbers and return on investment.
The ERP team is waiting on us, and there is nothing I can do to speed it up.
I wish there was a way to get mapping done faster without spending weeks on process interviews and fixing the same issues.
Step into the new world of BPM, powered by AI Speed. Hi, I'm Robbie. Let me help you skip this manual documentation with PrimeAI Agents. What have you got?
Well, I've got these Word and Excel files, some images, and audio discussions with process information.
Perfect. Upload them. MapAI can convert your input into process maps instantly. Here you go. Complete BPMN compliant process maps. Produced in seconds.
That was so fast.
I still need to create SOPs for all these processes. Frontline teams keep asking, what exactly do I do? Automation teams want step-level clarity too.
You shouldn't waste your expertise in tedious manual tasks. Show me what you've got.
Nothing's documented.
Talk to me. I have AI Procedure Writer that turns any conversation or recording into polished procedures 3 times faster than before. Here you go. Your SOPs for all processes are ready. Accurate, standardized, and audit-ready.
That's unbelievable. You saved me thousands of hours.
Well, I better get to some work.
What are you thinking?
Executives want me to analyze these processes for improvements and find the right areas for automation, standardization, and overall cost efficiency.
I already checked. For example, in this HR process, too many approvals are slowing everything down.
You could see that?
Of course. The AI-powered Digital Process Analyst, DPA, detects delays, bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and suggests automation opportunities. I can simulate each improvement recommendation instantly.
Incredible!
All this is great, but frontline teams still need easy access to process knowledge. Look, Clara from HR just asked, who approves the onboarding form?
Simple. Clara can ask me. With PrimeGPT, any employee can ask any question from process data and get instant insights. No need to skim through process maps.
So the whole organization can finally use our process knowledge? You've added AI speed to my entire BPM lifecycle.
This is the new world of BPM, where humans bring knowledge and AI brings speed. PrimeBPM's 4 AI agents, MapAI, AI Procedure Writer, Digital Process Analyst, DPA, and PrimeGPT can do the heavy lifting. So you can map in minutes and transform in days. Visit www.primebpm.com to experience Prime AI Agents.